Tá cháil ar chlamraí armánach margheall ar an siamsa a churann siad ar fáil, iad a ceol agus ag dansa an éadaí atá iontach as an gná. Ach in é ceol agus crack a bháin a bhíonn tarsúil acu, nó an bhfuil fá níos doimhne leis. Chasmuid le déanaí leo chun fáil amach.
Is aistóirí iad. Aisteoirí ag tabhairt iarracht an sean tradiisiún a chuineal bio. Téim na clamraí amach rivan nulaigh deacaná. Agus na buairlaí téann siad go dtí na bainisí. Agus dhéanann siad daos agus cheol agus rudaí mar sin. Ach in Armánach táid cheangail siad le chéile agus táid ag déanamh gach rud.
The costumes, also known as the rig-out for mummers. This part of the rural Ireland that was mainly straw, because straw was cheap. It was available after the harvest. This is a Fermanagh hat here, and you have 4 horns been knitted up on top with a devil's tail. With a devil's tail.
Why is it a devil's tail?
Because with the mummers, you did not know what you were getting when they entered the house. They were devilish, because when you put the hat on you, it was a license to act the blackguard that you wouldn't otherwise have the license to do. It was a license to take fun out of your neighbour or to grab the nearest girl that you could to you because you were disguised. The hat was everything. The hat was everything.
Le linn na bliana téimid go dtí bainisí. Tá ritual beag agan. Sin an ritual a bhíú ag na daoine sna sean éis. Agus táid ag léiríonn don na daoine cad a bhíú ón sa sean am.
That the pledge was made in front of guests. Before church ceremonies, this was the most important part of the wedding ritual, because the bride and bridegroom would ritually join their hands through the aperture in the stone.
Creidem go bhfuil muid an ghnó na sean slite a léiríonn don na daoine, agus sin an creidem atá agan agus atá agam. Nílas agam chun síon dearcha a bhí in na daoine, ach tá agam nuair a dhéanam an drama agus nuair a tíam leis na buairlaí tí go dtí na bainise, baineann siad le lán sult as.
I think it was the best decision we ever made because it was such a special evening, and especially something we wanted to share some Irish culture with our family.
Sílim go bhfuil sims na daoine a gcónaí sna sean am, sna sean slite a bhí acu agus baisiadón.
Well sin agah scéal na clamraí, sean tradiisiún atá beo leis fós, agus tar éis siad a fheiceáil in mbun action tá má him féin an tú sprág a chomá.